Canon has asked me to test this camera for a day to see how it performs for wedding cinematographers like us in terms of video quality, usability, and overall experience. Hey guys, I am Nitin Arora and today we are trying our hands on the brand new Canon C50. And this time it's not a real wedding or a pre-wedding. I had this concept shoot plan and I thought why not to test this camera in a setup that's inspired by weddings, yet a little different from the usual wedding shoot. Just to give you guys a quick brief about the concept, we have created a look that's modern yet contemporary, featuring a bride and groom styled in a very editorial way. And you all know I love editorial style, right? And through this shoot, we will see whether the C50, which is the smallest camera in the cinema lineup, truly fits into the wedding world or not. Posing, keep posing. It's okay, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं उस फीचर के साथ which really got my attention. 7K open gate recording, guys. Canon C50 is using the full 3:2 sensor, not just 16:9. For us wedding filmmakers, that's like a dream because अब आप horizontal के साथ साथ vertical shots भी साथ में shoot कर सकते हैं, जिसके थ्रू आप अपने clients को reels भी provide कर सकते हैं in just one take. Since we have 2 slots in this camera body, so आप अपने कैमरा में primary card slot, which means CF Express card में 4K and second कैमरा रिकॉर्डिंग को ऑन करके उसमें साइमल्टेनियसली 2K या फिर फुल HD में वर्टिकल रेशियो में अपनी वीडियो दैट इज 9:16 में रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं। उसी के साथ साथ आप अपनी वीडियो को 1:1 में शूट करने का ऑप्शन भी इजीली चूज कर सकते हैं। एंड यू नो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट व्हाइल शूटिंग वर्टिकली यू कैन एक्चुअली चेंज द पोजीशन ऑन द वर्टिकल क्रॉप बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन पोजीशन। कीप डूइंग थोड़ा हैंड मूवमेंट स्लो वेरी नाइस। अब बात करते हैं C50 में वीडियो फॉर्मेट्स की। यू कैन नाउ शूट 12-bit सिनेमा रॉ लाइट अप टू 7K 60p और स्विच टू XF AVC S और XF HEVC S in faster workflows. जो लोग slow motion lovers हैं, we have a great news for you guys. Now in C50 you can shoot 4K up to 120 FPS and 2K up to 180 FPS. So whether it's that Bharat energy or a dreamy Varmala moment, you can capture every frame beautifully. Hold. Since we are talking formats, इस कैमरे में आपको Canon Log 2 and 3 दोनों ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं. And while you shoot in Canon Log 2, you can achieve over 15 stops of dynamic range, which you can push up to 16 in Super 35 mode. You know, I have shot in harsh daylight, evening light, and even in artificial lights, and this camera just handles it all. The skin tones stay soft, the whites stay real, and जैसे ही आप इस footage पर LUTs apply करते हैं post में, it's pure magic, guys. And here is the best part. You can now use autofocus even in 4K slow motion. That's huge for wedding filmmakers, especially when the bride is walking in या फिर आपकी bride twirl कर रही हो या फिर वरमाला shots चल रहे हो. Now you don't have to fight for focus anymore. Now the feature I'm gonna literally talk about next is actually the most underrated feature of the C50, that is digital zoom. अब आप अपने कैमरे में रिकॉर्ड करते समय भी अपने सब्जेक्ट को जूम इन कर सकते हैं up to 4x either from the record button or directly from the top handle. For example, अगर मैं एक 50mm लेंस पर शूट कर रहा हूँ, then I can zoom in 2x and 4x and convert my focal length to 100 or even 200mm with the same 50mm lens, guys. That too with no change in aperture and almost no loss in quality. Isn't that amazing, guys? You can also control the zoom speed from the menu anywhere between levels 1 to 16 एंड यार मुझे एक्चुअली समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इसके बारे में कोई बात कर क्यों नहीं रहा है, बिकॉज दिस कैन सेव सो मच एफर्ट, टाइम एंड इवन मनी गाइस. इमेजिन यू आर अबाउट टू कैप्चर अ क्रूशियल मोमेंट, योर असिस्टेंट इज फार अवे एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ चेंजिंग lenses you just zoom in with your digital zoom. When we talk about Canon C50, I believe एक चीज बहुत जरूरी है हम सबको समझनी, that no cinema camera comes with IBIS and honestly as a wedding filmmaker it's not a deal breaker for me. देखा जाए तो we mostly shoot handheld or on gimbals which already gives us great stability. अगर आप handheld भी shoot करते हैं then now the C50's top handle adds even more control and with digital IS built into the body you can easily see the difference with digital IS on and off on the screen. We are just taking a close-up of the same shot. 2, 1, walk. Even though C50 एक सिनेमा कैमरा जरूर है, but Canon has also given an option to shoot stills at 32 megapixel raw photos at up to 40 frames per second. I believe it's perfect for capturing moments in weddings without losing a single moment. But एक चीज जो हमें ध्यान में रखनी है कि इसके साथ हम फ्लैश को यूज नहीं कर सकते, as C50 has no mechanical shutter, which means no flash. Let's talk about the design because when I use this body, I felt this is a perfect fit for wedding cinematographers as it just weighs 665 grams only. The top handle not only makes handheld shooting more stable, but Canon ने इस handle को as a part of the bundle ही include किया है, which I feel is great because you don't have to pay anything extra for it. The handle has got 2 XLR ports, a record button and a zoom rocker, all thoroughly placed. You know, I used it in my shoot while shooting for most of the handheld shots and honestly it's so well balanced that you can shoot for hours without any strain. Very nice. And going up. Keep posing, keep posing. Now one of the biggest issues with hybrid bodies was overheating, but not anymore. C50 में आपको एक active cooling fan मिलता है. So even when you are shooting in direct or harsh sunlight, so no shutdowns guys. And the battery is same as R5 Mark II, that is LPE6P, which lasted around I believe 40 to 50 minutes when we were shooting in 4:2:2 10-bit. That is, you know guys, it's too heavy and this is really a good battery life. अरे beautiful. हाथ हटाओ.
Guys, we have to wrap this up 1 o'clock.
Done. Let's do it. Next shot. After spending the day shooting with C50, मैं तो यही बोलूंगा कि this is the first cinema camera that truly fits into the wedding filmmaker's world. The result is rich, dynamic and cinematic. हैंडलिंग की बात करें तो ये काफी लाइट एंड बैलेंस्ड है एंड फीचर्स लाइक डिजिटल जूम, डिजिटल IS, ओपन गेट, कैनन लॉक 2 ऑल यू नो कम टुगेदर टू मेक योर जॉब फास्टर, इजियर एंड मेक यू फील मोर क्रिएटिव. मुझे सच में नहीं लगता कि इस कैमरे में अब कुछ भी ऐसी चीज मिसिंग है जिसको हम फैंटेसाइज कर पाए लिटरली या सोच पाए कि ये इसमें और होनी चाहिए थी. सो इट्स कंप्लीटली रिफाइंड एंड रेडी फॉर एवरी काइंड ऑफ शूट. थोड़ा हैंड मूवमेंट. And now I'm gonna show you that what we have created with Canon C50. Watch it guys.